Welcome to part 5 of our aquatic plant series. Today I'm going to show you how to put together your own hardy aquatic plant basket. So we're going to use 3 plants, zone 6 or less, so that we can keep these in for winter. We're going to use the variegated hydrocotyle, the very cool spiral rush, and the evergreen golden creeping jenny. You can see we're going to be using a proper aquatic plant. It's a mesh plastic pot so the roots can grow out into the water and absorb all those nutrients we told you about earlier. We'll be using a proper aquatic plant media or soil. So you can see this is not peat or core based. This is a heavy clay soil, so it doesn't float when you put it in your pond. It's very important that you use the right media when you're planting up your aquatic plants. And we'll be top dressing afterwards with a little bit of gravel, simply for when you plunge your pot, you don't foul the water with a little bit of soil being spun around. So we're going to start out with the foreground. So we'll do the creeping jenny. There'll be a little bit of rocks or gravel popping out. We're going to put that right in the front there. Let that creep over. We're going to use the variegated hydrocotyle off to the side. So just about there. And these 2 plants alone are going to fill right up and spill about 6 to 8 inches over. And then as our background or our thriller, we're going to use the lovely evergreen spiral rush right back here. So then we're just going to take a little soil and I'm going to fill up in and around the plant. Just going to fill it right up, and then we're going to just hand firm everything in down to about ½ inch above the level, below the level of the pot. And then we want to take some gravel to top dress. So again, what this does is keep any silty soil from getting out when you plunge your pot, because when you first put it in the water, of course, there's going to be a little bit of the fine particles wanting to creep out. This keeps everything in place and makes it look even better. Firm it down. Don't worry about the little bit of dirt on the plants because of course it's going into the pond. And ta-da! There you have your permanent or your hardy aquatic planter that's only going to get bigger and better over time. If you don't happen to have a pond, don't worry. You can just take any plastic or ceramic pot without a drain hole, fill it with water, and prop up your aquatic planter right there and enjoy it on your patio all summer long. So that ends our series on aquatic plants. Thank you for listening, and we hope to see you soon.